Healthy Sleep Chewable. Our puppies used to be just like their parents, noisy, restless, and always uneasy. It was stressful for them and for us after giving them this chewable supplement. I was so happy to see the change. They're calmer, less anxious, and finally able to rest peacefully. Made with organic ingredients and enriched with essential vitamins, these chews help relieve stress, soothe anxiety, and support overall health. They also promote better sleep, boost immunity, and keep puppies feeling safe and relaxed. A natural way to care for growing puppies and give them the calm they need.